What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new POV video. Today you join me inside the Mercedes AMG C43. Now this is the 2019 facelift and it has the cool V6 engine, a very underrated car. So we're currently at a very beautiful road, same road that we did the review on the VW Golf R, the Mark 8 that is. So we're back here again in the C43 and we're going to experience it. So without any further ado, let's actually get into the video. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Before we get to the very twisty parts, I'm going to talk you through, guys, the stats, the pricing, how the car feels, and all of that. And then when we get to the very twisty part, I'm going to keep quiet and let you guys enjoy the sound and how the car looks on video. So, the 2019 C43 was the facelift model year. Now, this was during an era where AMG was looking to make the AMG cars more attractive, that is the 43 cars and the 53s, because a lot of customers and enthusiasts in general were complaining that these cars are not AMG enough. There were too Mercedes-Benz. Now, for one, they've introduced the older style AMG grille on the 43s and the 53s. That's the grille that's on this car, and then the 63s get the proper Panamericana AMG grille. At the back, they also introduced the quad round tailpipes, and then on the 63s you get the squared off exhausts, which are also bigger. So quite some nice touches, helping make the 43s and the 53s more attractive and making the AMG buyer feel more special in this car. Now, this car has a very unique and special engine. Now, normally AMG engines have an M designation. For example, M139 is the engine you find in the A45S, the 2-liter. M156 is the old school 6.2 in the likes of the W204 C63. M177 is the engine you find in the likes of the C63S, that is the 4-liter V8 bi-turbo, also in the E63s and the AMG GTs and so on. Now, because this is not a proper AMG engine, it doesn't have the M designation. Instead, it's just the code number, which is 276. Now, this is an engine that you actually find in normal Mercedes-Benz cars, the likes of the GLE 450, S-Class S400, and so on. Now, this is a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 making 287 kilowatts and which is around 390 horsepower and 520 Newton meters of torque. Now, this engine is tuned by AMG to be more characterful and to suit this AMG theme. Like I said, it's not a one-man built engine like the AMG philosophy, one man, one engine. So it doesn't have the plaque with the signature of the person who built it. It's actually built by a robot. That's pretty much all the stats you need to know. Pricing on these ranges from anywhere from 650 to just over a million rands. That is 650,000 rands, by the way. Oh, what is this guy doing? Driving on my lane. Hey, that happens. Okay, anywhere from 650,000 rands to just over a million rands, depending on year model and mileage. Now, the early 2019 cars, which are relatively high mileage, are the ones which cost around 680 to 800,000 rands, and then the later 2021 and 2022 cars are the ones that cost just over a million. So a bargain, if you ask me, because this is a proper car. Now, that's all the stuff you need to know. We're on the part where we need to drive. I'm gonna flick it into Sport Plus. I'm also gonna choose manual. So let's open the sunroof as well so we can hear the sound properly. Sunroof open, let's unleash the beast. Not sure if you guys can see the shift lights on the instrument cluster, but those are so cool as you approach red line. It's a bit busy today. As you can see, the traffic, there's also trucks going around, but I don't mind going slowly, downshifting and then accelerating again. hear the sound properly. And I love how you can just modulate the throttle just like that and enjoy that sound. You can also hear some blow-off noise up front, but I'm pretty sure they're not audible on camera. Ooh, it's a 2-lane, but people are not opening way for me, so I guess I'm gonna have to overtake my left lane. There's another car. So as you can see, it's a bit busy, but I don't mind just playing around with the gears. Oh, this exhaust is so sweet. I'm pretty sure you guys can tell. Such an underrated car. It's just overshadowed by the 63 cars and the rivals like the M4 and stuff, but I'm telling you, this is a well worth it car. And it's actually not too heavy for what it is and the size of it. 1,630 kilograms. It weighs about the same as an A45S, so you can really exploit it through curves and enjoy the handling. You're not overwhelming the car and experiencing too much understeer and so on. That's emergency braking. If you get too close to a car in front of you, it'll kick in, so worry not. And you can just accelerate out of curves because it's all-wheel drive. So you have that all-wheel drive security. Such a cool car, man. Such a cool car. As you can see, this road is so beautiful. You can really enjoy a car up here. I can just keep quiet and drive all day in this thing. Hit the red line. Gonna pull into here and conclude the video right here because we actually need to turn back. But that is the C43. Do comment down below what you think about this car, what you'd go for rather. I know there's also its rival, the M340i and so on, but this engine is so proper. But I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, that's cheers from me.